Hello everyone, my name is Mokhtar and welcome back with new video. In this video, I am going to talk about how to speak confidentially. If you have ever felt nervous or unsure when you speak in English, so this video is for you. So today we are diving into some practical tips that will help you to build your confidence and speak English fluently without fear. So let's get started. So first, understand the fear. So let's talk about why speaking English can feel so intimidating. Fear of making mistakes, fear of being judged, or fear of not being understood. These fears are completely normal. Everyone has them, especially when you are learning a new language. But guess what? Making mistake is a part of the learning process. It's how we grow. The more you speak, the better you will get. Second one is practice makes perfect. One of the best way to overcome fear is through practice. But not just any practice. You have to be consistent and focused practice. Start small. Read out loud 10 minutes for every day. Or have a simple conversation with your friends. There are lots of application and online community where you can do practice with others. The key here is to make speaking English a part of your daily routine. The more you will do it, the more natural it will feel. Next, think in English. Another powerful tips is to start thinking in English. When you start thinking in your native language and then translate to English, it slows you down. But if you start thinking directly in English, you will find that the words come to you more quickly and naturally. Try this when you are alone or doing your things. So describe all your things in English. For example, I am making breakfast, I am doing my things, or I am heading to work. Just explain all these sentences in your own way. These simple habits make a big difference. Next is build your vocabulary. Confidence also comes from knowing the right words. So let's talk about building your vocabulary. Learn a few words every day and use those words in your daily sentences. This will help you remember them better way. The more words you know, the easier it will be to express yourself. So please use all those new words in your daily conversation. So it will help you to build your strong vocabulary. Next is join conversation groups. If you want to boost your confidence quickly, so join an English conversation group. Speaking with others who are also learning English can be incredibly encouraging. It's a supportive environment where everyone in the same boat. So there is no need to feel embraced. Plus, you will get the chance to hear different accent and speaking styles, which is super valuable. Next is embrace mistakes. Remember, making mistake is a part of the journey. Instead of feeling discouraged, mistakes will give you a learning opportunity. Every mistake you made is a chance to learn something new. The more you will speak, the more you will learn. The more confident you will get, the more confident you will become. So don't be afraid to speak out. Just speak as much as you can, because if you will speak, so definitely you will improve. And when you will speak, so you will make mistakes, and mistakes will make you perfect. Next is stay positive and patient. Finally, stay positive and be patient with yourself. Confidence doesn't come overnight, but with consistent effort, you will get there. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Thanks for watching my video. If you found these tips helpful, so please give thumbs up to my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Remember, confidence in English is all about practice and patience. So keep going. Definitely one day you will get that. Bye bye.